suya spice at home is straightforward once you have kulikuli. You can check out my video on how to make kulikuli. Here is a simple recipe for homemade suya spice. The list of the ingredients I used are 6 kulikuli, 3 uda seeds, that is negro pepper, 10 cloves, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons grounded pepper, 2 tablespoons onion powder, 1 tablespoon ginger powder, half tablespoon grounded black pepper and ehuru, that is African nutmeg, half tablespoon seasoning powder, and 1 tablespoon garlic powder. You can check out the description below for the list of the ingredients I used. First, you need to blend the kulikuli, the uda, and the cloves until they form a fine powder. Add all the ingredients to a blender and mix again to ensure an even distribution of flavors. Transfer the soya spice mix into an airtight container. Store in a cool, dry place. The spice mix is perfect for seasoning beef, chickens, and fish for grilling or roasting. Simply coat the meat with a generous amount of soya spice and a bit of oil before cooking. Enjoy your homemade soya spice. Thank you for tuning in.